Let's get right to it. When a company posts a job, they create a laundry list of skills that would be great for a given position. However, it's never a real-world list because the ideal person doesn't exist. No candidate has the exact skills because every company has nuances you're going to need to learn when you start. For the data analyst role, companies really need candidates that have two core skills. They're going to need you to know SQL and one or more tools you're going to be using. You'll need to know SQL because the dashboards and the KPIs you'll be creating are based on data housed in relational databases. You're going to need to write the underlying code to pull that data you need into the dashboard. That could be one line of SQL or it could be a few hundred. You'll need to author the SQL code and interface for the relational database the company is using. For example, I work with SQL Server a lot, and the interface for that is called SSMS, or SQL Server Management Studio. If you're using MySQL, another popular relational database, the interface for that is called MySQL Workbench. In a previous video, we talked about tech stacks. Because PowerBI is a Microsoft product, most companies using PowerBI are also going to use SQL Server. Once you have your SQL written, you'll then move over to PowerBI to create the interface or your dashboard. Let's check out a job I found for a remote data analyst. In this role, you're going to be using PowerBI for creating reports and interfaces. Now, they also list out Tableau, but you wouldn't need to know Tableau if you knew PowerBI. If you're new to this space and you're a little overwhelmed by all the different technologies, focus your time on learning the two most important technologies or skills for a given role. For the data analyst role we're looking at, focus on learning PowerBI and SQL. You could also focus on learning SQL and Tableau. Those are the two entities you're going to be working with every day. Don't get caught up in trying to chase all the technologies listed for a role you're interested in. If you're studying to be a data analyst, you shouldn't be focusing on the skills you're going to need for machine learning. You're going to have plenty of time to learn those skills if that's the direction you decide upon. The more comfortable you are with SQL and Power BI, the better chance you have at attaining your first role as a data analyst. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a great day.